Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on differential equations. The question is, consider the solution of the ODE, that is the ordinary differential equation, y dash t is equal to minus y cube plus y square plus 2y, subject to y0 is equal to y0 belonging to the open interval 0, 2. Then limit t tending to infinity yt belongs to option A minus 1, 0, option B minus 1, 2, option C 0, 2 and option D 0, infinity. Now for denominator not equal to 0 we have dy by y into y square minus y minus 2 is equal to dy by y into y plus 1 y minus 2 is equal to minus dt by 1. Further, we can write this as minus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 3 into y plus 1 plus 1 by 6 into y minus 2 dy is equal to minus dt by 1. Now integrating both sides, we get y minus half to the power 1 by 6 into y plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 by y to the power half is equal to c e to the power minus t. Thus the initial condition y0 is equal to y0 implies y minus 2 to the power 1 by 6 into y plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 by y to the power half is equal to y0 minus 2 to the power 1 by 6 into y0 plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 by y0 to the power half e to the power minus t. Now similarly, on taking the limit, we get y is equal to 2 or y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, option B is the correct option.